Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to buy crypto on the OKX app. First, go to Google Chrome and click on the extension icon in the top right corner of the browser to open your installed extensions. Here, click on OKX Wallet to launch the wallet interface within your browser. Once in the OKX Wallet, click on the swap option. This will bring up the interface where you can exchange one cryptocurrency for another. Now select the pay token you want to use for the transaction. You can either scroll through the available options or search for the token by name if it's not immediately visible. Next, select the received token that you want to receive in exchange for your pay token. This could be a different cryptocurrency or token that's supported on the OKX platform. Then enter the amount you wish to swap. You can manually type the amount or use the slider to adjust it. Make sure to review the exchange rate and any associated fees before confirming the transaction. After entering the amount, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the swap, ensuring you have sufficient funds in your account and checking for any additional confirmation steps. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.